Your EMR is a prison. Every new healthcare tool promises efficiency, but they don't talk to your EMR. Your staff enters data twice, sometimes 3 times. Errors multiply, costs explode. This is not just frustrating, it is a $43 billion problem of wasted time and resources annually in healthcare. Today, I'm revealing exactly how to connect any automation to your existing EMR. This is the EMR Freedom Blueprint. 5 battle-tested methods, real examples, 0 vendor dependence. Let's break your EMR free. APIs are your first and best option when available. Think of APIs as official doorways into your EMR. They're built for communication, for data exchange. They are the cleanest, most reliable way to integrate. Here's what most people miss. Cantime, one of the EMRs that we worked with, already has API documentation published. You don't need to beg for it. You can search patients, you can pull demographics, access visit data, all programmatically, all without a single mouse click. Let me tell you about Genesis Home Health. Their nurses were spending an average of 45 minutes daily copying visit notes between systems. They had a mobile app for patient care, a billing system, and their Cantime EMR. All disconnected, all requiring manual, error-prone data entry. This was not a tech problem. It was a staff retention problem. The head nurse told me the constant clicking and copying was the #1 cause of burnout for these nurses. So we designed one simple API integration. It took us a few days to build and test. Now, every time a nurse completes a visit note on their mobile app, the data syncs automatically to Cantime and their billing system in under 3 seconds. The head nurse told me, it's like we hired 10 invisible assistants. We got our lives back. This is the power of direct API-based connection. So, how do you do this? It's a pretty straightforward process. First, you can email your EMR vendor, request their API documentation and credentials, and don't let them tell you it's not possible. It is possible, trust me. And they may start with like the read-only access, and you could do like pulling of the patient list first. Don't try to write back yet. Test everything in a sandbox environment. Never go live in production first. Build your field mapping. Your patient name becomes the patient full name. This is like a crucial step for data consistency. And finally, add retry logic. Networks fail, APIs timeout. Your automation system must plan for it. This ensures reliability even during hiccups. But what happens when your EMR speaks an ancient language, or if you have multiple systems that don't talk to each other? This is where FHIR and HL7 come in. Think of them as healthcare's Rosetta Stone. They are the standardized formats every system can understand. This means one-to-many communication, not one-to-one. So MedStar Alliance faced a nightmare. They had 7 facilities, each with different EMRs from 5 different vendors. 0 communication. A patient's data in Houston was invisible in even Dallas. This led to wasted time and, more critically, fragmented care. They needed a single source of truth for all the patient data across their entire network. They implemented FHIR as their common language. Now, a patient admitted in Houston instantly appears in their Austin and Dallas systems. Same structure, same format, perfect sync. The result? The integration dropped medication errors by 67%. Why? Because every single nurse and doctor was working from the same accurate data set. This is not just for large hospitals, it is scalable. Here's how you can approach it. Check your EMR standard support search. Like you could just type in whatever your EMR is and FHIR support. Most major ones have it now. Choose your standard. FHIR is for modern systems and HL7 version 2 is for legacy systems. Download free toolkits. HAPI, FHIR for Java is a great option. Python has multiple open source libraries as well. Map your use case to standard resources. Your patient becomes a patient resource, a visit becomes an encounter resource. This is the key to standardization. Validate everything, use online FHIR validators before going live. This is your critical safety step that ensures your data is clean and compliant. So if no API, no FHIR, no problem. We got ninja mode. So browser automation makes your computer use the EMR like humans would, but much faster. This is about bypassing the lack of an official API by programmatically controlling the web browser itself. You have powerful free options like Selenium and Playwright. You also have paid options with great support like UiPath and Automation Anywhere. Now, let's look at an example of Premier Care Network. They had a 15-year-old EMR. The vendor wanted $75,000 for API access. It was not a viable option. Instead, they spent one weekend with Playwright. Their bot logs in, it navigates menus, extracts data, updates records, submits claims. It does everything a human user would, but with perfect consistency and speed. The manual process took their administrator 4 hours daily. The automated process, 12 minutes. Their ROI was achieved in 2 weeks. This is a perfect example of leveraging readily available tools to solve a massive problem when the vendor is not cooperating. So how do you set up a browser bot? It is a blueprint. Pick your weapon. Playwright is fantastic for developers. UiPath and Automation Anywhere are designed for non-coders and have drag and drop interfaces. Record your exact manual workflow. Every click, every field, every screen, add intelligent weights. Don't just wait for a fixed time, wait for a specific button or element to appear or some other trigger. Build error recovery. If a page fails to load, take a screenshot of the error and retry. Broken bots cause chaos. Run your bot during off hours, like 2 a.m. This avoids slowing down the EMR for your staff and prevents any user collisions. Monitor your bot religiously. Broken bots are a liability. Ready for the cutting edge? AI that thinks while it clicks? Computer using agents powered by AI are the newest frontier. They adapt to interface changes. Your EMR updates overnight, traditional bots would break. AI agents adjust because they understand the purpose of the action, not just the exact coordinates of the click. One of the home health agencies just deployed this. Their AI handles prior authorizations, a notoriously complex and unpredictable process, as you guys know. The AI agent reads the request, it opens the EMR, finds the relevant notes, compiles documentation, and it even drafts the submission. But here's the critical detail. A human verifies everything. The AI does the grunt work. Humans ensure accuracy. It is a partnership. The AI suggests, humans approve. Zero clinical risk. This is not a tool for you to deploy blindly. It needs a safety protocol. Start read-only. Let the AI observe for a minimum of 2 weeks. Set confidence thresholds. If the AI is below 98% confident in a task, it flags it for human review. Log everything. Keep a full audit trail with screenshots, decisions, and reasoning. This is non-negotiable for compliance. Create approval queues. The AI drafts, the human approves, always. Never allow autonomous clinical decisions. This is legal suicide. Your role is to build a system where the AI assists and the human takes responsibility. So, which method wins for your situation? APIs win for the reliability and speed. If available, you must use them. FHIR wins for interoperability. Multiple systems, this is your answer. Browser automation wins for legacy EMRs. No API, no problem. AI agents win for complex, changing workflows. Unpredictable tasks, AI adapts. Here's your quick guide to getting started. Audit your EMR capabilities today. Check for APIs first. List your top 3 manual processes that are eating up time. Pick the easiest win. One integration. Prove its value. Document everything. Build once, deploy everywhere. Scale gradually. Perfect one automation before adding another. Your EMR integration journey starts now. This is just the beginning. The journey to a fully automated agency is a clear path. In our next video, I'm showing you how to eliminate scheduling chaos forever. We are going to reveal a system for automated shift assignments, real-time availability matching, and zero conflicts. And for now, get the EMR Freedom Blueprint, the link in the description to start your journey today. Your nurses will thank you tomorrow.